Toss them in there.
What's this?
Oh.
What is that?
Our
He's
receipts.
keeping receipts?
I keep receipts of
Wait,
everything you've
Mario,
done to
what's
me.
that?
Everything you've done to me and Leo.
Baby.
I
was bad too. Okay, I was bad too. I'm sorry. Bad.
Why are you being like this with me? Why are you being like this with me?
I'm sorry.
Oh,
It's just
baby.
easy to judge,
Oh,
okay? I was
baby.
really bad myself.
Ooh, you.
Do you feel nervous about me going through your closet?
No. Why would I feel?
Any skeletons in your closet that I don't know about?
If I do, I probably forgot about them. So we'll find out.
You don't have a door on your closet.
No,
This is all you. This is all him.
Listen,
This is all him.
I keep it fairly clean. You know,
You
like
do.
it's not a complete mess. I want to say it's been an upgrade from what it used to be before Leo was born.
Yeah.
'Cause it was. I'm sure we have footage of it.
That was a representation of how our life was.
Yes.
And now I feel like we're getting our lives together.
Finally. It's only taken 30-something years.
Okay, let's dive on in.
Let's do this.
Let's dive on
I'm
in.
ready for this.
The key is, though, to keeping it clean,
Yeah.
you gotta have a good system.
Okay.
So what I like to do is whenever I wear something, I grab the hanger, so I don't have like random hangers, just empty. I grab the hanger of the thing I'm wearing and I hang it like right here. And I'm like, okay, I know I have one thing missing from my closet. And then when I'm done wearing it, I put it back.
That's a good system.
Put it back.
Because what I do is I'll put on a shirt, well, I'll take it from my closet, I'll put on a shirt, and then at the end of the day, I'm like, where was that hanger? It was one of my black shirts. I know it was around here. I don't know how you did your...
I love how you're excited about it. Let's go.
Because I'm thinking about like, where's everything gonna go? Is it gonna remain in the same area? Is it just gonna be decluttered, or are we like reconfiguring
I think we
everything?
should reconfigure and reorganize stuff to how you use your closet. So this right here is prime real estate.
Yeah.
You want to have like stuff that you wear every day. Like, where are your t-shirts? Do you have them hung?
Most of my t-shirts are there, and then I have other t-shirts there. These are like what I consider my like
Going out nice
and-
shirts?
no, like my A tier
Oh, okay.
t-shirts, and then I have my B, C tier t-shirts over there. But then I have workout clothes over there too.
We're gonna figure it out. What
Yeah.
do you got in here, babe? What do you got in here?
Honestly, it's like a
What?
menagerie
What
of
is
things,
that?
you know.
You got
this
some
is
golf balls.
golf balls, you know. I just probably toss them
Wait,
in
what's
there.
this?
Oh.
What is that?
What? It's a Princess Peach beanie. I have no idea how I got there. I think that was there from like a set that we bought just in
Our
case.
friends.
Well, yeah.
I remember we bought this for our friend. And
Yeah.
we never gave it to them.
And yeah, and then their
Who just
child.
had a baby girl? Did someone just have a baby girl? We're giving them this baby.
Or we could probably just hold on to it, just just in case we have another child and it ends up being a girl, you know.
This is what happens. No, we're not keeping anything. We're not hoarding anything. Okay,
Look.
Mario.
This is
Mario, you're
this-
gonna get everyone excited. Okay, you're not planning anything. Wait, we gotta show the people.
Okay, let's show the people.
We gotta show the people. I didn't go this in depth on mine.
Oh, then why you
No,
why?
we have to show the people.
She wants to expose me.
Look at this. How do
Yeah.
you find anything, babe? Baby. I was bad too. Okay, I was bad too. I'm sorry.
What?
Bad.
Why are you
I'm
being
sorry.
like this
I'm
with
trying
me?
to make you feel-
Why are you being like this?
I'm sorry.
Oh,
It's just easy to
baby.
judge,
Oh,
okay? I was
baby.
really bad myself.
Ooh, you. Shaking
I'm
your
gonna
finger at me. Oh, God, that's
Mario, what do you
That's-
have stored in here?
that's some pretty.
Hey. Okay, this is like the bottom of my closet. Okay, so we're gonna have to get rid of this.
Yeah, let's.
We gotta
let's-
keep this clear.
Okay, yeah, there's receipts there. You see all
These
all
are
those?
your receipts?
Not just my receipts.
Oh my
Those are
God.
our
He's
receipts.
keeping receipts?
I keep receipts of
Hey,
everything you've
Mario,
done to
what's
me.
that?
Everything you've done to me and Leo. It's all
You
there.
legit have a receipt organizer? What is this? Why do we need this?
I have no idea.
So
That's
dusty.
old. You want to know how old that is?
No.
That's probably from...
They look old. They're like yellow.
My shorts.
I'm gonna teach you how to fold.
What are you talking about? Those are folded.
No.
Those are folded.
We're gonna redo this, okay? I'm so excited.
I have dress clothes here with slacks, and then some of my tank tops. I have long sleeves here for dress shirts, my jerseys, Niners, go Niners, and my Kings, go Kings. Long sleeves here for winter or whenever it's cold, and the rest of this I just don't even know. We could probably just organize. And then those are my sweaters, zip-ups.
And then you have some jackets here too.
Yeah, those are like my nice jackets, and then this is like my pullovers.
Okay.
These are our pullovers.
Do you have stuff up here?
Those are just my shoes. So,
Boxes?
Yeah, I just keep them in boxes so they don't get dust in them. Okay.
Okay.
Where do we start?
We're gonna empty everything. Everything is coming off.
Wait, what?
And we're putting it all onto the bed, and we're gonna take out everything off the hangers, and we have to go through every single item.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of work. Why don't we just go into sections like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
We gotta see.
6.
We gotta see it all in one spot.
Oh jeez, that seems
Have you
like
ever
a lot.
done this? It was my first time doing this a while back.
You're probably overwhelmed.
Oh,
doing
well, I
this.
did it by myself. I'm here to
Yeah.
help you. Roll the time lapse.
Let's do it.
I just want to know, like, why do you have the most random photos in Mac and Cheese Smackdown
What?
framed? Why is this framed?
I have no idea. Why is it framed? And it's the most random photos of us too.
At the Mac and Cheese Smackdown.
Yeah. Oh man,
This
it's
is who we
super
used to
random.
be. Also,
Oh yeah.
from our wedding.
Oh yeah.
These were our little sodas from our wedding. Dusty AF.
Oh my gosh.
Babe, why do you even have this?
I have no idea.
Why do you have this? It's so dusty. Disgusting.
Sure, it still hits.
Ew. We're gonna get through this really
Okay.
fast.
Okay.
But we gotta deep clean the closet first. So you gotta take
Alright.
down the shoe boxes. We're gonna dust everything, get clean.
All right, time to get down my shoe boxes.
I think mine was more dustier than yours, maybe. I don't know. There's the pile.
That's a lot of clothes.
I don't think I've seen you wear some of these in like over 5 years.
Maybe.
I'm gonna show you one.
Okay.
We're gonna go through some clothes.
Yeah, let's go through some clothes.
Don't get stabbed by a hanger.
I almost did.
Oh my gosh. All right, so we have a donation side and we have a sell side. I don't know if you want to sell anything, or maybe like if you want to gift them to your brothers or something.
Yeah.
Like the nicer stuff. And then whatever we're gonna keep, we'll just keep it on the bed. But we're gonna take everything off the hanger. So we're gonna go through everything.
All right, let's do this.
go.
All right.
Let's go. And you love this jacket.
Yeah, this is my workout jacket. So
It was
we
one.
we leave this on the hanger, right?
No, we take it off.
Oh, we take it off?
Yeah, because we're going through the hangers too. We're gonna do a sweep of hangers that don't match anymore.
All right, so where do we put the hangers?
Babe, this is dusty.
Yeah, all those are dusty because they're right above our air filter. And I really like that jacket. I just want to get rid of this back part.
That's not gonna happen.
You can't unembroider that?
No.
I'm sure we could figure out a way.
No, we're not gonna do that.
Okay.
Because who's doing that?
Your mom is very creative.
Oh, my mom.
We could ask.
Your mom.
No, your mom. Top man, that one. Nah, we'll get rid of it. The Steph Con sweater, I still
like
like
that?
wearing.
You
Yeah. Yeah, I still wear that one too. Boba Fett. Oh no, that's my Stormtrooper. These are my wedding slacks.
No.
Yes.
Do you still have your wedding jacket?
Yeah, I do.
I still have my dress. So
What if we get dressed up?
we're gonna do that.
Oh my
Leave a
god.
like on the video if you want to see us
Yeah.
dress up in our old wedding clothes.
Wait, I should just keep this in
Yeah.
this though, because we're not changing these. We only have one of these.
Just go through the process.
Okay.
Everything off the hanger.
Okay.
You're trying to cheat the system here, Mario.
I'm just trying to save some time.
This is the one I wanted to talk to you about.
Yeah. Yeah.
How many years has it been since you've worked at Machinima?
11.
Do you wear this proudly?
I haven't worn it in 11 years or probably more.
Why?
I kept it because it's
No.
all right.
Because why? Because why?
Because I designed it and I was like very proud of it and I was like, it's so cool, it's such a cool sweat. But I don't even wear it. Why keep something I don't even wear?
I don't think I've seen you wear that. That's Harry Potter.
It's Harry Potter.
Universal Studios.
Yeah, I wore this once because I bought it when it was cold. Yeah, and then
Okay, we're selling that.
I should probably put this away. This winter clothes stuff.
Dude, this was probably expensive.
I think it was like 70 or 80 bucks.
That's expensive. We're selling it. There'll
Sell
be
it.
some Harry Potter fan that loves it.
So wait, what about winter stuff?
Winter stuff
Should we
that
put
needs
over
to
there?
go somewhere else. You got lots of bombers.
I like bombers, if you haven't noticed.
Well, yes, I bought them, some of them for you.
Yeah, this is probably my favorite hanger right here. Look at this.
How is that even hanging in your closet?
I have no idea. Maybe this way?
Babe.
I'm just playing. Honestly, I don't even know. I think it was just sandwiched between other long sleeves. I still wear this, but it's kind of,
That's adorable.
yeah. I'll have to get a new Lane 8.
Do you wear it?
I don't know if this color fits me.
Okay.
I don't know if this color suits me. Do you feel like it suits me?
Okay, if you
Color analysis time.
You snapping at me?
I got you in that mode now.
You gotta look at me, please.
Okay.
No.
Right?
No, it doesn't. It brings out your dark circles.
They never go away. What do you think about this one?
Babe.
You can wash it.
No.
No.
Those pits. I can't have you. I can't have you wearing this.
I have no idea.
No. We'll buy you a new one. If
Okay.
you really like it, okay?
Yeah, because I need to have my white long sleeve. I mean,
Well, that's nice.
it's a nice color.
I like that color on you.
Although when I wear this, I was gonna say, if you squint, it looks like I'm naked.
Well, are you gonna wear it or no?
No, I'm still gonna wear it. Why not? Oh, jeez. I need to take this to...
Babe.
Who hugged me? Why? Oh, brother. Oh.
Brother,
Jeez.
Okay, and wire hanger.
Wire hanger.
Double.
Oh. Okay,
Ugh.
I know what happened with this one. This was my Adam's Family shirt.
Oh.
It was popped. And I had
Your makeup. It was your makeup.
my makeup.
You gotta get that clean, babe.
Yeah, I was like, dude.
Here, we need a dry clean pile.
Yeah, for sure. This is
Ugh.
this is trash.
Yeah. Wait, those are dangerous, dude. Okay, we're done. Here's all the clothes he's gonna keep. And here are the donations. We have them in bags. So one bag is for selling, one bag is for Mario's brothers, and then one bag is for donations. So they're not like completely full, but I think we can do better.
I think so too. I think there's some stuff probably in there that I'm like on the fence, so we'll scrap it.
Yeah, we're gonna go through it again.
Yeah.
Here are the hangers. We have so many hangers. So there's like 3 different types of blacks. We have like
Grays.
all of these we need to sort through. All of these ones I need to sort through. We've sorted through the gray ones, which is the ones we have the most of. But, oh, someone's getting sleepy.
Oh man, I need
Oh,
some
we
food.
need a coffee or
I
some
need
food.
food. I wish somebody would have told us, dudes, don't buy so many hangers. Like, why do you have fuzzy ones and then non-fuzzy? It's like, what were we doing?
Fuzzy ones were a mistake with pets.
Yeah.
We should just get rid of those.
Yeah, we gotta get.
We're gonna get rid of them.
Those are absolutely if necessary.
For now, and then we're gonna get rid of them.
Let's take all these bad boys out.
You have so many pants. I
I
cannot.
have a lot of pants. Tiff is allergic to pants. So it's even working at it. I'm gonna say it again.
You're
Tiff
gonna keep all of them?
is allergic to pants.
Oh my gosh, babe, that's a lot.
What? You need a pants for every situation. You do.
Just keeps going.
You want to see more pants?
Shut up, babe. Oh my gosh. What in tarnation?
One more time.
No. No. Okay, I think you're gonna have to get rid of some of those.
No. Not my sweet baby. No. Oh.
Okay. We're hanging his pants, something new for him.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna show you how to hang them.
Okay.
Come on in. I'm gonna show you how to fold pants.
Okay. Come on in.
You lay them out. Okay. You face this inwards, and then you're gonna bring one pant leg through. Make sure it's lined up with that, and then you're gonna flip this guy over, and bring the last other pant leg through. And then they're nice and secure.
Nice. All right. That's so cool.
And we're done.
Yes. It looks so good.
We got dress shirts on the far right with S-tier shirts in the middle and long sleeves and crew necks on the left. And all of his pants are hanging, which cleared up drawer space.
On the left, we have bombers. My hats are right above that. Graphic tees are right in the middle and polos are to the right. On the top drawer, we have my swim trunks, and right below that, we have my workout tops. And below that's my hamper.
For the right side drawers, we have ties and some extra space for storage, tank tops underneath that, workout shorts under that, and all of his shorts folded nicely so we can choose what to wear really easily. And then on the bottom, we got jammies. If you want to check out my closet, I will put the video right here. And yeah, I hope this inspires you to clean your closet.
Yeah.
Because it feels so good.
It feels so much lighter, honestly.
Yeah.
I love the way it came out. It looks so nice.
Now we don't need doors. I like to look at it like this. Okay, we got a toddler to take care of now.
Yeah.
He's awake from his nap, so we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
See you guys.